Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel of the Kanak Info System. Today we are talking about how to handling of multiple views for a same model in Odoo. Now imagine this. In student 2's view, I want to showcase every details from students except for their email addresses. For this, we don't need to build from a scratch tree view. Now let's see how it is possible. I already made action and the menu items for the student 2 here and the given the reference ID student 2 tree. Here I have already made a basic structure for the tree view. Now add some key features. Field name equals to inherit ID. Self completed reference for of the tree view existing tree view student tree and the main part of the code is mode primary. Now we using the inheritance, so remove the tree part and use the XPath. Give the XPath of the appropriate place where you want to add the field name. Now the name of the field, which is email. Position is attribute. Attribute name equals to column invisible. Set the value of the this is at 1 and the complete the XPath. Now let's check the output. This is the basic preview for the student which contain email field, but the student 2 the email field is not visible, so it is hidden from here. So we can make so this feature allow us to create a new way of viewing data for a particular model without rewriting entire tree view structure. Simply do this and get the output. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.